So, AI. You've probably heard people either worship it or say it's the end of humanity. But let's cut through the hype. Is using AI good or bad? Let's figure it out. First, why AI is amazing. It can do things faster than any human. Write code, draft emails, generate images, even help you come up with a killer Spider-Man meme in 2 seconds. It's like having Iron Man's Jarvis, but for your work. AI helps you experiment, save time, and focus on what actually matters. And here's the thing. It learns from you. The better you guide it, the smarter it becomes. It's a tool, not a replacement. But now the dark side, AI can make you lazy. Copy-paste culture skyrockets. People stop thinking, stop experimenting, stop learning. You let it solve problems you don't understand, and suddenly you're like Peter Parker without Spidey sense, blindly swinging and hoping for the best. And then there's bias. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. Sometimes it spreads misinformation, sometimes it reinforces bad habits. You could end up with a Hulk-level mess instead of Iron Man precision. The reality? AI is both good and bad. It's not magic. It's a superpower with responsibilities. Use it wisely. Ask questions, challenge it, test it, break it. Don't let it do your thinking for you, because the moment AI replaces your curiosity, you lose. But the moment AI accelerates your learning, your experiments, your creativity, that's when you win. So, is using AI good or bad? It's like Thor's hammer, powerful, game-changing, and absolutely epic, if you know how to wield it. Misuse it, and you get smashed. Use it right, and you become unstoppable. The choice is yours.